Keep your comments coming. I'd love to hear from you, and if you've got questions as well. Arman says, has my South African brothers gone out yet? Yes, they have. You've missed the Takis. As we see the Defence Force of Rwanda go out now. The RNP of Rwanda, Team 2, they went out earlier, 1:48.1, so that was a quick time. I expect the Rwandan Defence Force to be quick as well. Let's see. Like I've said throughout the course of today, anything under 2 minutes is a very good time indeed. Anything under 1:50 is very, very good. Anything under 1:40 is wowzers. Rukundo Olivier shouting for Rwanda right now. They're out there at the moment, Rukundo. And of course, this being day one, you want a good start to the competition. Now, I think one of the assaulters has got stuck in the submachine gun pen. Oh! Get his feet, everything must be over the line. The second of the deadweight dummies is across the line, but they're still waiting for the final assaulter. Can he get over that line? They stop the clock at 2:09. There's good luck showing. That's the Tajikistan team. They haven't gone out yet. DJ Lee. Are you a DJ, Lee? With your name being DJ Lee? I'm here to support Rwanda. Now Rwanda go. We were all tricked. The screen said it was Rwanda that went earlier. It wasn't, it was Kenya. It's Rwanda that go now. And just a reminder of Rwanda Team A, 101.5. That's the time to beat as far as the Rwandans are concerned. First you want to beat your colleagues, then you want to beat the best. Just crossed the 30-second mark for Rwanda SOF team, the second of the Rwanda teams. This looks good. Remember, Team 1 went round last year on the hostage rescue day in 59.3. They're not going to beat that time. Out of the kill house and a sprint towards the finish line. 1:04.5 for Rwanda B.
Good job, good job.
Not as quick as their A-team colleagues. A little push for the sniper to get him on his way. Were you happy with that, DJ Lee? Elko says that's how it's done, supporting Rwanda. Cosmo says, hey Joe, please send a hello to the Ministry of Internal Affairs of Kazakhstan. Hello Cosmo. Hello, the MOI. Oh, thank you, Betty. Now it's the turn of Rwanda, the Defence Force team from Rwanda. They are the first of the Rwandan teams to go today. Three Rwandan teams in this year's UAE SWAT Challenge competition, but these are the first on day 4 to start their run. The fastest time so far today, still that Kazakh B, 2:24.8. Last year, Rwanda SWAT Team 2 went round in 3:13.2, so personal target for them will be that time. Can they come round in under the 3-minute mark and beat their best of last year? SWAT Team 1 went round at 3:22 from Rwanda last year, but 3:13 is the best of the Rwandans in 2025. Marie-Jean watching intently as Rwanda go round, as is UAE Odeth. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. No issues with the targets on the ground for the Rwandan snipers. The assaulters are on their way down. Now he can sprint towards the pistol pen, bounding along with those long legs. He hasn't climbed over that wooden wall, he stepped over it. Takes a start. That's done, no issues there. Over the dog kennel and into the second of the pistol boxes to start on those 32 targets. Meanwhile, up on the balcony at the top of the tower, the snipers will engage the second of their challenges. He's missed that first one. I think that's 3 from 3 misses, if I'm not mistaken in my count. 4 misses. They must be getting low on ammunition now. Remember, only 7 rounds each, 14 in total. There goes one. Still 3 out there, though. Looks like they've still got more ammunition as well. 2 down, 2 to go. That's another miss. Surely they must be done now. Yep. Is that it? It is. Out of ammunition. So they've left a minute out on the range of time penalties. Now the snipers can come down. What did I say? 3:22. They're not going to beat that time. The Defence Force team of Rwanda. As they sprint towards the finish line, they will comfortably come inside the 4-minute mark, though. 3:49.0. Teams that will cross that start line as the sun sets here in Dubai. They train together. They will set the benchmark for the Rwandans. Put your phone on silent. on the traverse wall up into the attic entry. Remember, the record holders are Rwanda SWAT Team 1, Peace Team 1, 346 last year. That's the target. And listen to the support. Over the football. They've all got to touch the bell. Here we go. He's locked in. The man at the bottom was already up and on him before he'd even got his arms under that yellow bar. That's how you do it. Balance beam must touch the yellow painted ends of that balance beam. Make it look so easy. Monkey bars, ninja boards, the sand pit, the cargo net, being dispatched with ease. Over the top of that cargo net. They have to climb up and climb down. They're not allowed to throw themselves over the cargo net. Remember, the fastest time so far today, Uzbek police, 4 minutes flat. We've done 2 minutes here with the Defence Force of Rwanda. There's one across, two across, three across, two still to go. Was it three still to go? Yeah, there's three still to go. There's two of them that are on that barrel at the moment. There you go, one remaining. His colleagues are cracking on and not hanging around. There we go. They make it look easy. Fireman's Tower. Look at them go. Traverse rope. Is he the first? This is going to be tight. Will they cross the line quicker than the Uzbek police? I'm not so sure. They've got a lot to do inside 30 seconds. Irish table. And look at them cheering. They're going to miss out on that 4-minute mark of the police of Uzbekistan. But I think this will still be the second quickest time today. Over the wooden wall. And a sprint across the finish line to stop the clock in 4 minutes 20 flat. Defence Force of Rwanda